Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you a super easy way to get a free $100 Walmart promo code. This method is quick and straightforward, and you'll have your promo code in just a few minutes, so stick around to see how it's done. First, head over to escapon.co/Walmart, or scan the QR code displayed on the video with your smartphone camera to access the website. Once you're on the page, the first step is to enter your email address. This is important because your $100 promo code will be sent directly to your inbox, so make sure you enter it correctly. I'll go ahead and enter my email now so you can follow along. Next, you'll need to choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device. Since I'm using an Android phone, I'm selecting that option and clicking the Continue button. Now, the site will begin generating your promo code. Don't worry, this only takes a few moments. It's one of the fastest ways to get $100 off your next Walmart purchase. Your promo code is almost ready, but there's one last step. To verify that you're a real person and not a bot, the site will ask you to confirm your identity by downloading 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are always free, so there's no cost involved. You can choose any 2 apps that are available. There's no need to select the same ones I'm downloading. If an app doesn't download properly, just pick a third app as a backup. I'm currently downloading my second app, and once both apps are installed, you'll need to open and use each one for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to complete a quick survey or sign up, so if that happens, just follow the instructions to make sure the verification process is successful. Once you've used the apps for the required time, head back to your email and refresh the page. Your $100 Walmart promo code should be sitting in your inbox.